A very good morning, class 12th. As you have already studied about income method, so today before you learn how to do numericals of national income by income method, let's quickly go through the measurement of national income using income method. Though already I have discussed with you, but let's do once again. So to measure national income by income method, we need to take compensation employees, then we need to take operating surplus, and then we have to add mixed income, and then we come towards the domestic income or NDP at factor cost. And in this NDP at factor cost, if you add NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad, you are able to reach towards NNPFC, that is net national product at factor cost, which is actually the national income. Already I have explained you that what precautions you are supposed to take while you calculate national income by income method. So let's start. There is a data, children, which has been given, which is like this. Given the following data and using income method, calculate first net domestic income, then second gross domestic income, then the third one you have to find out net national income, and the last one is net national product at market price. So keeping the measurement in your mind, let's see what are the items which have been given. The very first thing is indirect tax, and we have rupees in crore, that is 9,000. Then we have subsidies, which is 1800. Then we have depreciation, which is 1700. Then we have mixed income of self-employed, which is 28,000. Then we have operating surplus, which is 10,000. Then you have net factor income from abroad, which is minus 300. And then compensation of employees, that is 24,000. Now children, you need to keep in mind first that the very first thing which you need to find out is net domestic income. Now to find out the net domestic income from the given item, quickly select which are the things which you are supposed to include. You already know that you are supposed to take the mixed income of self-employed over here. Then of course you need to take the second thing, operating surplus, and then the compensation of employees. When you add all these together, you get your net domestic income. So your mixed income is rupees 28,000 crore, your operating surplus is rupees 10,000 crores, and your compensation employees is rupees 24,000 crores. When you add it, you get a value of rupees 62,000 crore. Now this 62,000 crore is actually your net domestic income. Now once you are able to get net domestic income, it becomes very easy to find out gross domestic income. Simply what you have to do, you people know that from the net domestic income, what you are supposed to do, you need to add the value of depreciation, which is already been given over here, that is the 1700. So if you add net domestic income, which is rupees 62,000, and plus you add depreciation in that is rupees 1700. So children, you get rupees 63,700 crore as your gross domestic income, right? Now it becomes more easy to find out net national income, because you know very well to find out the net national income, what you are supposed to do in net domestic income, which you have already found out. The only thing you have to do in this is you need to add net factor income from abroad, right? Now your net domestic income already we have found out, that is rupees 62,000 crore. Now you know that net factor income from abroad you add, but here it has been given that your net factor income from abroad is in negative, right? So we write rupees 62,000 crore plus in bracket minus rupees 300 crore. So plus minus will be minus. So 62,000 crore minus 300 crore, you get your value to be as 61,700 crore, which is your net national income. See how easy it is to calculate. The only thing is that you need to keep in mind what are the items which are to be included and where. Then the next thing is net national product at market price. Now again very easy, because to find out net national product at market price, you should note net national income. Already you have found out what is your net national income. We have calculated right now, and that is 61,700 crore. And in this, what you are supposed to add, because it's your income, so you will add the indirect taxes and you will deduct the subsidies, right? So your net national income is 61,700 crore, plus in this you need to add the indirect tax, which is rupees 9,000 crore, and you have to deduct the subsidies, which is rupees 1,800 crore, and you get a value of rupees 6,800 crores. So children, this is your net national product at market price, that is 68,900 crore. So this is how you are able to calculate the net national product at market price. Now the next numerical which has been given over here is that from the following data you are supposed to calculate the national income, and the items which have been given over here are profit, which is 1,500, rent, which is 1,300, net indirect taxes rupees 350, then mixed income self-employed is 600, compensation employees is 3,000, reimbursement to the employees for medical expenses rupees 300 crore, depreciation rupees 200 crore, access of factor income to the rest of the world over factor income from rest of the world is 50, and access of imports over export is 40, and interest is 1,100 crore. Now you need to find out the national income, that is NNP at factor cost. And to find out national income, the very first thing which we will find out is net domestic product at factor cost. Now to find out net domestic product at factor cost, children, what are the things which you will be taking from here? Let's start. The very first thing which I have included over here, that is compensation employees. Then the next thing in compensation employees, you will add profit, plus you will add rent, then you will add what, children? Interest, then you will add what? Mixed income of self-employed. Once you have added compensation employees, which is rupees 3,000 crore, then plus rupees 1,500 crore, which is profit, then plus rent, which is rupees 1,300 crore, then plus interest, which is rupees 1,100 crore, then plus mixed income of self-employed, which is rupees 600 crore, and you get a value of, that is 7,500 crore. That means 7,500 crores. So children, your NDP at factor cost is rupees 7,500 crore. Now you have NDP at factor cost, it becomes so easy to find out NNP at factor cost or national income, because you know that from NDP at factor cost, what you will be doing it now, children? It's written, see, the thing which has been given to you over here is access of factor income to the rest of the world over factor income from rest of the world. So that means that from the access of factor income to rest of the world means you have given the access of income, factor income, then what you have received from the world. So what we'll do, our NDP at factor cost is rupees 7,500 crore plus in bracket minus how much, that is rupees 50 crore, and you get a value of rupees 7,450 crore, which is actually your national income. So children, this is how you have to calculate the national income. The only thing which you are supposed to keep in mind, that you know very well that actually we add the net factor income from abroad, right? But over here it has been given excess of factor income to rest of the world. Over factor income from rest of the world means what we have paid to the world is more than what we have received. Means our factor income which we paid to the world is more than what factor income we have received. So that means it is in negative. But as we add, so we put that sign of plus in bracket. I have written minus 50 crore, and that comes to minus only, and that is why your value came to be as rupees 7450 crore, which is your national income, right?